If you can hang a picture, you can hang your vertical blinds in no time. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Grab these simple tools and let's get started. All vertical blinds have the same basic parts: valance, track, vanes, and hardware. Today, I'm installing an outside mount vertical blind. Depending on the blinds you ordered, the pieces or parts you have may be a little different. That's okay. You'll follow basically the same steps I'll go through here to hang them. Just be sure to check the instructions that came with your product before you start. The first step is to mark where you want to place your brackets. One will go on each side of your blind, tucked right above the corner of your window frame. Once you have the locations marked for your brackets, place the top of the bracket at each spot and mark where the screws will go. Pre-drill the holes and screw the brackets into place. Once they're installed, make sure they're level. Clip the headrail into place. To do so, you'll need to place the front of the headrail into the front groove of the brackets. Then tilt the back up toward the ceiling until it clips into the back of the bracket. Depending on the width of your blind, you may need an additional set of hands for this part. Next, you'll need to attach the vanes. It doesn't matter which way they face, as long as they all face the same direction. Just slide the hole punched end of the vane into the plastic stem. Gently tug it down to ensure it has hooked onto the plastic clip correctly. Repeat the process for all your vanes. Now it's time to attach the valance. Simply click the white valance clips onto the headrail like so. Then position the valance so that the flat top slides into the back grooves of the clips. If it is not centered, simply slide the valance left or right to adjust. That's it! Now just test the blinds by rotating the slats open and closed. Use the cord loop or the wand to slide them back and forth. Make sure that whenever you're expanding or compressing the vanes, they are in the open position. This helps reduce wear and tear and prevents breakage. If you need to remove your blinds, remove the valance, then press the release tabs on the valance clips to remove them. Now start removing the vanes by pushing them up and then pulling them out sideways. If that doesn't work for you, grab a spare gift card and push it up into the clip on the right side of a vane. Once it is in place, ease the vane out and remove the card. Next, press the release tabs on the brackets to remove the headrail. We hope you enjoy your beautiful new vertical blinds from Select Blinds. If you have any questions or need any additional help, please see your product's installation guide on our website or just give us a call. We're here to help.